Oof. Hard to do.
Shake.
We're cracking open seeds for the robins. We have to feed them at like 6:30 in the morning.
I'm tired.
We all are.
Yeah, I'm gonna show them what time it is. Everything's backwards, but it's 12:46.
Oh, they'll see it normally.
Really?
I think so.
See, but it's 12:46, not 6:40. 21.
64:21.
Man, we'd all be dead by that time.
64:29. Oof.
It's not a real number in time.
Well, that's not even a number in time, but oof, imagine what the future's gonna be like.
Dead bodies there, dead bodies there. People flying over each other over there. They don't have any food, and then people be walking around like this.
We hungry, we want food.
We make fire.
We make fire, we cavemen. You guys want to see how many seeds we have cracked open?
Barely.
It's terrible. Wait.
It's terrible.
That's
nothing. So we've been doing this for about an hour now.
Yeah. Like, no funny shit here. Like, we've been doing this for like legit an hour. There's really no purpose of doing this video. I just wanted to show you guys how much work we go through. Not for YouTube. I wish.
Pig.
Yeah, we had a pig here. We're animal lovers here in the channel.
And I feel like I'm eating these seeds.
What?
And I feel like I'm eating these.
She's not eating them. She's like, whatchamacallit, fucking them.
Damn, this is what a pig looks like.
Yeah,
Her name is Harley.
her name's Harley.
We went to Moncton.
That's in the Mirashe, by the way.
Well, on our way to Moncton, and then we seen horses.
Oh yeah, we rode the horses.
They're pretty. Oh, something just popped. He'd be curious.
He was all like, what?
Hey.
I don't know how many people watch my videos. There's like, one of my videos is like 5 views, which is honestly okay for me. I want to be, like...
Don't want to be noticed. Nope, look at me.
Nope, nobody noticed me. Don't notice me.
Your mom was so hairy that when she gave birth to you, you got a rug burn, son.
Oh, that's brutal.
It's going to be stuck in my head for a long time now.
Yeah. Your mama's so fat. We probably shouldn't be saying this on camera. But your mama's so fat. Stephen Hawking based his black hole theory on her asshole.
Your mom was so fat that the boulder chasing Indiana Jones was her.
Isn't like...
The boulder in Indiana Jones was her.
Yeah, it was like...
Your mom was so fat that the boulder in Indiana Jones was her.
Oh. Look how long it takes to freaking even bite into a seed. Like, you gotta...
For the seed.
You gotta freaking bite into it. Freaking hurt your nails.
I found one. I'm gonna look in here.
Yeah, just keep on looking through there. There's something like uncracked in that one, which is really good. Because we're probably gonna be up till like 2:30.
No longer than that.
Doing the shit.
We're gonna be up till 6:30 and then have to go outside and feed them.
Yeah, we have 3 robins.
And they bite.
Yeah, they like freaking bite.
When they're hungry, trust me, they're hungry.
And no, we did not steal the robins. We didn't like go to like
They were
their
outside the
nest.
nest.
We didn't go to like their nest and be like, oh hey, we're gonna take these now. Like here, the full demonstration of opening one
There's,
seed.
like, barely any light.
One seed.
That's an idea, bro.
Okay, first you gotta bite it. Oh, there we go. That's better lighting. Oof. I'm tired. First you gotta bite it, which I have. I'm gonna bite it again.
Man, that hurts the eyes off.
Oof, yeah. I can't stop saying oof. How many times have I said oof in this video? Too many now. God damn it. Nah. Lighting.
That's good though.
What?
The light.
Yeah, it does.
Freaking bright though.
Yeah. I just, the reason why I started this YouTube channel was because, like, I've always watched, like, Markiplier, like, since he was, like, on YouTube, maybe
Keep
not,
on
like,
saying like.
oh my god.
Come on.
It's like, since Markiplier was on YouTube, or, like, maybe not on, like, fresh on YouTube, fresh.
I have a voice crack.
Fresh on YouTube, I wasn't watching him, but like most of the time that he was on YouTube, like since he like had like his like black hair, I watched him. And he's like not, I don't want to pick favorites, but I find Jacksepticeye resembles more than me because he has like a loud voice. I'm not
He
you,
screams.
and he like gets mad a lot and asks her playing Geometry Dash the other day. It's not even funny.
Dash almost everything in the freaking house.
Oof, I hate it. Damn it! Keep on saying oof.
And like.
Oof. Oof like, oof like, oof like.
Man, you be on Instagram. Like. Ugh.
Oof, this is tiring.
This is.
Yeah, this is
the
like,
birds.
yeah, we like really like the birds and we want to keep them.
I don't like spring. And I don't like the fall. And school starts in 28 days.
Yeah.
And you're leaving soon.
Yeah, aren't I leaving like Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, that
I'm
sucks.
back to Mountain, bro.
At least I'll be able to do more gaming videos.
Wait, what do you
But
FaceTime on?
Messenger.
Okay.
Why?
So I might be able to face. Oh wait, Samsung. I think I can.
Yeah, you can. Only if you have Messenger though. Do you have Facebook?
Nope.
You don't? You could download Messenger. Do you have a Facebook account?
No.
You don't?
I had a Facebook account. What the phrase? Freaking postal code.
Postal code. Of some shit numbers and letters.
Yeah, I had 5 Facebook accounts, and I had to close them all because it wanted my.
Oh, if I have like 17.
I just keep on remaking them.
Okay, I want you guys to leave in the comments how many times I said oof.
I counted
God.
1.
God damn. This camera isn't staying still. I don't know.
Yeah, let's just continue with our
conversation about Stephen Hawking's asshole.
No. About school and all that.
School. So, like...
There's another one. Like.
Oh, fuck.
I'll still post in the comments how many times he said like.
Yeah. Often, like... Damn it.
Can't do it anymore.
Oh my god, it's probably, like, up to the 30s.
You said it again. You just said oof.
Oh god. I'm tempted to, like, eat one of these
You just said
seeds.
like.
I can't. I just can't.
Just avoid that one word. Okay, let's see who can not say those two words for the rest of the video.
It's like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Funny.
So we like practically
You just said it. You just
we practically can't talk for the
You
next
just said it.
5.
Why did you just say we practically can't talk for the rest of the 5 minutes?
We practically can't talk for the rest of the 4 minutes.
Okay, well you can still talk, just don't say those two words.
This lighting is like
You said it,
hurting my eyes. No, I said lighting.
and then this lighting is like right in my eyes.
No, hurting my eyes. I'm gonna freaking check the footage of this. Like, I'm gonna have it playing.
You just said like.
Is my tongue blue?
Yeah.
I was sucking down some cotton candy.
No, it's pink. I'm sucking down some cotton candy.
Oh yeah. It just here in Canada we suck on cotton candy.
Yeah. And then you
Americans.
just gobble it down.
Yeah, just shove it down your throats. And then Irish people.
Irish people eat it normal.
Yeah, Irish people are just like
Cotton candy.
cotton candy. Yuppie.
No, I bet you like anyone that's American now is gonna go, nope, not following him no more. We're Canadians, so you know, it's basically an insult to ourselves. You know what I hate though?
Canadians.
Watching those videos and then it's saying like people in Canada talk with an accent. We don't
Yeah,
have an
like-
accent.
Like we're not like, hey bruh.
Eh?
Yeah, we
What's
don't like
taco day?
we don't like repeat a.
It's not even
the
in our
end.
vocabulary.
And apparently vocabulary isn't a new vocabulary either.
Ever? You are very bad at speaking.
Oh, English gooder than English could be.
You just said, oh.
Fuck.
Eh. What you doing?
Hey, what you doing? Okay, I'm gonna have to leave this video here. I will be back with more videos. As always, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.